Hey everyone, in today's video, you're going to learn how to make money online with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what Pinterest is, it is the largest image search engine online. And I'll leave a link up above. Go watch that video where I talk about what Pinterest is and how you can get started. But in today's video, I just want to dive right in and show you how you can start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of my favorite ways to create a passive income online because I don't have to create my own products. All I have to do is promote other people's proven products. So in this video, I am going to show you how to promote a ClickBank product called Total Money Magnetism. It's a product I actually use, and I don't recommend you promote other products unless you know about the product or it's a product that you use yourself. So for this first example, I'm going to show you this method. So with any affiliate offer, you first need traffic. And in our case, we are going to use Pinterest. And then what you do is you drive that traffic to an affiliate offer. So let me show you how we're going to do that in this part. So I'm in my Pinterest account and I want to create a pin that drives people to this product. And the product, like I said, is this Total Money Magnetism, and I found it on ClickBank. So if you don't know what ClickBank is, it is one of the largest affiliate marketplaces on the internet. And I will leave a link down below for a video that I did where I talk about ClickBank affiliate marketing. But in this case, I'm just going to show you how to do this specific product, because like I said, it's one that I use. So what I do is I go to the affiliate page of this product and I look for different ideas of pins I can create. So I'm in the articles section, and this, one of the great things about this product in promoting it is it really gives affiliates a lot of information, a lot of suggestions on how to promote it. So let's see, I want to do one called Can Hypnosis Really Help You to Manifest Money? Now, I've created this pin and I use Canva to create all my pins, and to make this video a little bit shorter, I already created that. So I will go to my Tailwind. Now I use Tailwind in conjunction with Pinterest because Tailwind just makes it really easy for me to schedule all of my pins. So what I'm going to do is I am going to drop the pin that I created into Tailwind, into the drafts. Now I want to put this in one of my boards that I created, which is my entrepreneur mindset, because that's kind of how what Total Money Magnetism falls into. So then I'm going to drop that there. We're going to call that entrepreneur mindset. I know I spelled it wrong. Can hypnosis help you manifest money? All right. Let me correct this spelling mistake. Perfect. Now I'm just going to check out this free guide on hypnosis. Now I would do a better job, but just for now, just for the sake of brevity, I'm going to make it really short. But I would come back and make it more keyword rich. Now, I don't recommend that you drop your affiliate link right there in the pin. What I recommend is you use a link cloaker, like either through ClickMagick or bit.ly, or I use Pretty Links through my blog, and I have a affiliate link right here through Pretty Links, so I'm just going to cut and copy that. Go back to my Tailwind, and then I'm going to add that to my queue. So this specific pin is going to go out on Friday. Now let me just show you this pin real quick. If I were to click on it, it should take me to, and it does, it takes me to the sales page of Total Money Magnetism. So that is the first way that you can do affiliate marketing with Pinterest. Really simple, really quick. All you do is create a pin. You put your affiliate link in there cloaked, and then you post it. Either you do it on Pinterest or you can use Tailwind to schedule it. That is one way that you can use Pinterest to do affiliate marketing, and it works if you want to make quick dollars. However, I think of it as a little bit more spammy, and I think there is a better way, and a way that I want to show you now how you can do a Pinterest affiliate marketing. So let me show you method number 2. So let me go back to my little drawing board here. But so instead of sending people from Pinterest directly to the offer, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send Pinterest to my blog post or my YouTube video that talks about this product, and then I will send them to the offer. Now, why would I want to do this? Well, there's a couple reasons. One is if you want to create a long-term business, you're going to have to create an audience. And just creating a pin with an offer will not do that for you. So if I send someone to my blog post, they get to read and they'll learn a little bit more about me. And this does a few things. One is it builds up my brand. 2, it builds up my blog post. As I drive more traffic to it, Google will start to rank that higher in the search results. And 3 is it'll start to develop trust around me and my audience, and hopefully people will buy more from me if they see more of my pins maybe promoting other products. And I'll be known as someone that's providing valuable reviews instead of someone that's just out there, spamming my links on Pinterest. So let me show you how we would do this. So let's go back to Tailwind, and I have another pin that I've created, and I got this idea from here, which is, do you have a rich brain? So I'm going to use some ideas from this article, and I'm going to create a pin around this, and I've already done that. So let me find that pin and drop it in and make sure it's the right pin first. Okay, yeah, do you have a rich brain? And I got that, like I said, from right here, do you have a rich brain? So I'm going to put this into my entrepreneur mindset. I'm going to create a title, and then I'm going to write a description, and clean it up a little bit. All right, and now I'm going to link, instead of to the offer, I'm going to link it to this blog post. So I have this blog post that I created. It's a total money magnetism review, and right here, if someone were to click on this graphic, it'll take them to this quiz, which is the sales page for this product, and it's congruent. So I talked about, do you have a millionaire's brain in my pin? I talk about it in my blog post, and now they see it again within this quiz. So I've created that congruence all the way through. So let's go back to Tailwind, or let's go back here. Let's copy this URL and drop it into this pin, and let's add it to the queue. And now I want to make sure that it works. So if I click on it, it should take me right to my blog post, and it does. So that's a better way to use Pinterest to do affiliate marketing. And so this way I'm sending people from my pin to my blog post to the offer. Now there's a third way, and a better way, and this is a way that super affiliates make the 6- and 7-figure income, and that is using this method. So let me show you back at our drawing. So once I send people from my pin to my blog post or my YouTube video, now I'm going to send them to an opt-in page. And within this opt-in page, they have to give me their email address, and now they go on to my email list in my autoresponder. And then from this opt-in page, they then go to the sales page or the offer of the product you're promoting. Now, why do I want to do this? There's many reasons for this. One is your number one asset that you are going to create within your business, assuming you want to create a long-term business, is your email list. Now, Pinterest could go away, my blog or YouTube could get my YouTube could get shut down, or whatever other platforms I'm sending people to could be shut down. But I'm always going to have my email list. I can take it anywhere with me. So for instance, if I do something wrong on YouTube and it gets shut down, I can start a new YouTube channel, email my list saying, hey, this is where you guys can find me. And now I'm up and running again. So that's one reason. The second reason is once they're on my email list, I can continue to email people and provide value. And most times it's going to take people more than one view before they make a purchase. So within each email, I can direct people back to the sales offer. So that's another reason why why super affiliates do this method. Another reason is it's another way that you can build trust with your audience, because you can use your emails to tell stories. They can learn more about you. There's so much you can do with your email sequence. And probably the most important and final way is, let's say they're not interested in that specific product, but you have another product which they're interested in, then they might buy that from you, through your email. So that's another reason why you want to create and build your email list. So let me show you a live example of a pin that I have doing this. Now, I'm not going to use total money magnetism for this. I'm going to use this pin here, which is one of my best performing pins. And let me show you the flow of how this works. So if someone finds this pin and I click on it, it takes me to this blog post, which is a course that I recommend for affiliate marketing. So if I scroll down here, I also have a YouTube video. So if I click on this right here, instead of taking you to the offer, it's going to take you to an opt-in page. So if I click on this, I have to put in my email address. Click on it, and now I have the sales page of the product, and I also have a video telling them what they can expect in the sales page. So that is a multi-step process that people will go through. It's a sales funnel that people will go through. So now I'm on my email list, and I will send people automated messages to send people back to this. This is a free webinar. So that is the third and probably the best way that you can use Pinterest to your affiliate offers. Before we end this video, I just want to say that this isn't a get rich quick scheme. So if you're just starting out on Pinterest, it's going to take you time to build a following, to build your impressions, to build up your boards. So just know that going in. And number two is this last method, using a sales funnel builder as well as an email autoresponder, it's going to require a little bit of capital on your part. There's a monthly fee for both. However, I believe if you're serious about building an affiliate marketing business, then the minimum you should have is either a YouTube channel or a blog, a sales funnel builder, which I recommend ClickFunnels, and an email autoresponder, which I recommend GetResponse or ActiveCampaign. So just keep that in mind if you are building out, especially this last method. If you want to learn how to start and grow a 6 or 7 figure affiliate marketing business, then I'll leave a link down below for a course that I recommend. So that is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit that thumbs up so I know to create more content like this. And leave me a comment down below and let me know which of the 3 methods you are going to use for your Pinterest affiliate marketing. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, as I'm putting out weekly content on the tips, tools, and strategies to create an online affiliate marketing business, because it just makes sense to create time and financial freedom. Then I'm going to leave a link If you want to learn more, it's the course that I took. Now I will send people. Leave me a comment down below if you see that coffee mug in the video.